Today, using this speed paint, let's talk about how 3 different lighting setups can completely change the vibe of the exact same scene. A lot of people complain that their environments look flat and lack a sense of story, but here's the truth. Real storytelling isn't about over-rendering details, it's about mastering your light source placement. The direction of your light is the emotion of your painting. First up, front lighting. The light hits the object straight on. This hides all the shadows and volume right behind it. It literally flattens a 3D scene right into a 2D texture map. When painting, unless you're purposely going for a flat, decorative style, or you want the viewer to see absolutely everything, do your best to avoid front lighting. Second, the ultimate volume builder, the 45-degree side light. Let's move our light source to a top side 45-degree angle. Watch what happens to the scene. The lit areas form shadows, and cast shadows are cleanly separated. Side lighting is the absolute best at revealing the turning of the forms and surface textures. When you get a reference with messy lighting and have no idea where to start, just subjectively unify it with a 45-degree side light. It'll make any basic object instantly pop in 3D. Cinematic interrogation rooms or sunset cafes use side lighting all the time to build mood. Third up, backlighting. This is the ultimate mood setter. Let's push the light source right behind the subject. Now, all those busy details get swallowed up by massive shadow silhouettes, and you get this incredibly sharp rim light wrapping around the edges. Backlighting is the absolute master of prioritizing the big shapes. It strips away all the extra noise, hands all the visual tension to the atmosphere, and instantly maxes out the storytelling. But here's the catch: when painting backlights, your shadows cannot be dead black. You have to mix in a little bit of cool ambient skylight. Beyond these, there are a few more super practical lighting angles. Top lighting, perfect for an oppressive, mysterious vibe. Underlighting, gives off that creepy horror movie feel. Backside lighting, think streets at dusk or a forest at dawn. To sum it up, front light for details, side light for volume, backlight for mood. When painting, the light in your hand is basically your director's camera. Change the light direction subjectively to give your scene a totally different emotion. In the next video, we'll dive into the rules of color temperature. Drop a follow if you're interested.